Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas and I'm going to be doing a triple Boilermaker pour. I found these divided shot glasses when I was cleaning out my china cabinet, which really doesn't hold any china. It holds all my wine glasses and beer glasses and shot glasses. So those were like pre-mixed shots that we bought like, I don't know, a while ago. And I never threw them away, and apparently there was a reason. So I'm gonna use them today. All right, and the colors that I'm using, I've got Soho Gold, I've got Payne's Gray from Soho, and then the next two are FolkArt Aquamarine and White Pearl. And then from DecoArt Americana, I've got Bronze. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and get my gloves on, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I've got my gloves on, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to pour the Payne's Gray in one side for this first cup, and then the Aquamarine on the other side. It holds quite a bit of paint in those little cups. All right, so that'll be the first one. Then the next one, I'm going to put gold on one side, and all my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex, Floetrol, and water. And now I'm going to put the Payne's Gray on the other side of the gold. And my pouring medium is 60% Liquitex, 30% Floetrol, and 10% water. All right, so for the last cup, I'm going to go ahead with the bronze on this side and the aquamarine on the other side. Not much left of that. That one's all used up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill the cups with the white pearl. I'm not gonna fill them full. I'm not sure how much is in there, like that much. And then I'm going to drop it in and then fill it the rest of the way up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just drop it in. Make sure they kind of stay up straight there. Okay. Alright, I'll push them. I was pretty close on there. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and finish filling that up. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me move this out of the way. Alright, so now I am just going to go ahead and flip them over. Hopefully they flip really good, so we'll see. Okay, that one's pretty good. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and let those sit there for a minute. Let the paint kind of come down a bit. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you won't be notified when I upload new videos. Alright, so here we go. Okay guys, so it's been about half an hour. Take you in for a little close-up. You can see that I've got some cells that have come up. And I love these colors together. They look really, really pretty. And I love the simplicity of this painting. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'll take you in for a little closer look. There's some cool details in this painting. For the most part, it's just simple, but also elegant at the same time. I love these colors together. I think it looks really, really nice. And also, I now have a website. It is tracyreeddesigns.com, and the link is in my description, so click that, check it out. I do have quite a few more paintings to get listed, so I'll be working on that. So go ahead and check out my website, alright? Thank you guys. Have a great day.